Yo, it's Lux from Server.pro and welcome to this tutorial in which I'm going to show you how to reset your Nether world on your Minecraft Java server. I will show you how to reset your Nether on two different server types. Firstly, I'll show you how to do it on the vanilla servers, and then I will show you how to do it on any bukkit, spigot or paper servers. Alright, so as you can see, I have a vanilla Minecraft server running, and in-game this is what the Nether looks like. I have a little house here with a bunch of destroyed terrain. Now, to reset the Nether, go to your Server.pro control panel and then go into the Files tab, here on the left. If you're running the server elsewhere, like on your computer, just go to the location where all your server files are stored. Then it's important to stop your server. Just press the red stop button right here. Now find your world. Mine is just called world. Click on it to go into the folder and find the dim-1 folder. This is actually your Nether world. To reset the Nether, we're simply going to delete it by highlighting it and then pressing the delete button near the upper right. If you'd like to keep your Nether world, you can simply just download it for safekeeping, but I'm going to just delete it. Be careful not to delete the dim-1 folder, as that is the end world. Now start your server back up and log back into game. And once I'm logged into the server, you can see that the Nether world is reset back to how it was before. Now, if you have either a bukkit, spigot or paper server, the process is even easier. If you don't have one of these three server types, then you don't need to follow this part of the video. I'm currently on my new paper server, and again, I've got myself a little hut here with some terrain changes. So let's go and reset this Nether. Again, firstly stop your server and go to the Files tab. Then find a folder which starts with the name of your world followed by _nether. This is of course your Nether world. Simply highlight that world folder and delete it, just like so. Then start your server back up and log into game. And as you can see, once I've logged into game, the Nether world has been completely reset. And apart from that, I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any tutorial suggestions, leave them down in the comments below. And if you're having issues with anything, contact our support team. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.